How you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So today I just wanted to share this like amazing design with you guys. I think you guys remember from some of my videos that I was talking about the fact that a lot of people right now, they are going to start building their own electric scooter or customizing their own electric scooter, due to the fact that in the market right now with electric scooters, most of the electric scooters that we see, they all look the same. They have the exact same design. So now a lot of people are going to start designing their own electric scooters or start building their own electric scooters from scratch. And you know, the technology is definitely out there. If you go online and you start searching for electric scooter parts and all that stuff, you can literally build your own or customize your own to look completely different. So people are using like 3D printing and all that stuff to customize their own electric scooter to look really nice. So with that being said, I wanted to introduce you guys to his YouTube name is Henny. I don't know how to say that name. I'm sorry, but I'll put his YouTube name down below, and I'll also put it in the description for you guys to see. I'll also put it in the video. This is probably one of the best electric scooter design, I guess you can say DIY, that I've ever seen before, because of the amount of detail and attention that went into this, and the uniqueness of the electric scooter itself is just beautiful. And the fact that he used like 4 hoverboard motors. I want you guys to also go to his YouTube and check him out and subscribe, because he says he's gonna be doing more amazing stuff like this, and I can't wait to see it. And hopefully he's willing to sell some of his electric scooter with us, because I know a lot of us want to buy, you know, this type of electric scooter. This is what I'm talking about with all the electric scooter companies. You guys have to be giving us different designs. If you don't, you're taking the market away from your own company, because people are gonna start designing stuff like this and building their own, and actually reaching out to some of these type of people to build electric scooter for them. And most people will willingly pay for the same amounts that you guys are charging for these electric scooters. That's nothing that's unique about them. Everybody's gonna end up having the same exact scooters. So why not pay for something that nobody else has? If you're going to pay $9,000 for electric scooter, if you're willing to pay $7,000 for electric scooter, why not get something unique? So this is why most people now are gonna start going for electric scooters that are made by professional engineer. Like I'm saying, the way that this is built is spectacular. It looks really nice and well built. So shout out to him. Check out his YouTube, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be bringing you guys the latest and the best amazing electric scooters news and the word on the street, as you guys know. So thank you guys for watching.